Hey you guys, it's Katie, Katie by Katie, and today I am opening up my Simply Earth recipe box. If you guys have been around here for a while, you know that I love getting these Simply Earth essential oil recipe boxes in the mail each month, and I love sharing with you guys the fun all-natural recipes that they make. This month's kit is all about bug fighting, which is perfect because we are almost the mosquito capital of the world. I'm pretty sure. We are super close. We have a lot of mosquitoes, we have a lot of nasty bugs. And in an effort to make everything all natural and get less chemicals inside our household, I love having the essential oils as an option and all of these fun recipes that come every month. So I have shared with you guys many times. I will link up all of the videos that I have shared using the Simply Earth recipe boxes in the comments description down below. So you guys can check it out, and then you can head over there to Simply Earth and you can sign up and get it yourself, and you'll get a discount. And when you sign up to get your subscription box, you're gonna get your big bonus box. And I've talked about that before, and I will share that video too of unboxing the bonus box, because you get so many good things in that bonus box. And it just helps them save on the shipping. They ship a little bit smaller box to you each month. It doesn't cost so much, and you get tons of stuff. It's awesome. Like, I love it. It is amazing. So I wanted to just pop on here today and unbox this with you, and I'm gonna make one recipe. It's going to be the all-natural bug spray. Alrighty guys, here it is. This is this month's box unboxing. Okay, so you always get your sticker sheets that you can use. It has labels for the top of your essential oil bottles, and then it has stickers for all of the recipes that you make. So the 4 bottles of oil that you get this month is tea tree, which I love the smell, lime, marjoram, and bug fighter. That in itself, awesome, very awesome. This month we also get some zinc oxide and some kaolin clay. I could be totally butchering that. Kaolin clay. So the recipes that you can make using this kit and your bonus box, if you sign up this month, you're gonna get the bonus box. You always get that on your first month subscription. So everything that you need to make all these things is either in the box or it's gonna be something you have at home. So the Bug Be Gone spray, that's what we're gonna be making today. There's some all-natural sunscreen, a relaxing clay scrub, so you'll be using the kaolin clay, a diffuser blend for summer days, relaxing summer days, a blackhead banishing powder. You're gonna be using the zinc oxide for that, as well as the kaolin clay and the tea tree oil. And then a bug bite relief lotion stick. So like I said, everything you need to make all of these things is either in your box or in your big bonus box. And how many months have I been doing this? A couple? 4 or 5? Here is what's still left from my big bonus box. I still have lots of coconut oil, both here and here. And I still have lots of bottles and rollers. Like I said, you guys, you get so much stuff, and I love it. I'm so excited. So let's make this Bug Be Gone spray. All right, guys, so I kind of feel like this is gonna be a super popular one, and I'm gonna make 2. So I'm using these metal bottles that came in my big bonus box. And the first thing that they call for is 2 ounces of water. So I'm doubling this up. So let's see if I can get my chemist mode on here, measuring with the beakers. Okay, 2 ounces in that one, 2 ounces in that one, and then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's see how well we can get this poured in there without making a huge mess. Boom, look at that. Let's see if we can do it twice. Oh gosh. Why are you laughing at me, McKinley? Okay. Vanilla extract. Okay, almond oil. 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Here we go again.
What are you making?
We are making a bug be gone spray.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Cool.
Yep. Okay, there's the almond oil, vanilla extract, 60 drops of bug fighter blend, Alrighty, so now we've got our bug spray and we are ready to head outdoors and enjoy summer. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and make sure you check out all the links down below to past subscription box videos, and check out the Simply Earth website and sign up for your subscription today.